20 years of nonsense in my life, like within 13 weeks of her the beyond weight loss session, like 15 years of proper corporate life, office ka cafeteria khana, sitting in the AC 18 hours, no work life balance, no workout, working on the weekends. And then after that, after my mother passed away, another 5 years of depression, total lethargy, and zero movement. After the first session with her, I did a private session with her first before joining the weight loss beyond weight loss program, the group program. Just after the first session that night, I slept non-stop for 7 hours. And I've had chronic insomnia since I finished my engineering. So for 20 years of insomnia, I mean, I still remember that night that, see, this is very new to me. So when she said that, okay, you come on the device, and I didn't know anything, but I just somehow knew that this is my chance to shift.
Right.
And after that, within the next day, so the day of the first session, I slept through. The next day, there was some sensation in my legs, and I started going for walks, which was like, I have never walked. I have never walked out. It was, I would always feel very lethargic. I would not at all be confident. Or I would say, why should I go? I don't want to go for a walk. What will people think? They look at me, look at my bum, look at my tummy, all the huge judgments. And then within 3 weeks of the group sessions, I was able to reach 8 kilometers of walking per day. This is from a person who hasn't trained, who hasn't done anything specific. And within, I think, 2 weeks of starting with sessions with her, my relationship with my father improved drastically. Like, we would even never talk, he would never acknowledge me, he would never respect me. But there was this sudden shift. Like, for me, this her programs, I feel, are beyond what they say, because it's not only of I was, I think, around 112 before I started, and by the end of the program I was 90.
Oh my goodness.
See,
Wow.
but more than that, not only that the clothes were fitting well, it was a sleep, it was just uh, someone who was so depressed and suicidal, and now it's like, see, it's not that I don't feel low anytime now, it's not that I'm like a happy hippie all the time,
Right. Of course.
but you know there's a shift, because now I know to process my thoughts better, and now I can actually stand in front of the mirror naked, and I absolutely love what I see. And that's a big shift. See, because media and everyone puts such a pressure on us, that your hair needs to be in a particular way, your size needs to be in a particular way, you need to be able to fit into particular clothes. But now it's like I really love my body, the way she is. And my relationship with food has changed. I no longer feel guilty about anything. Like, my whole logic of healthy, unhealthy is just wiped out.
Amazing.
It's not that I sit and hog junk food. I've never been a junk food kind of a person. But pehle, like, even if I eat something a little extra or something else, or then I'll Google, oh, is white rice bad? Is brown rice good? Or this rice, that rice, oh, quinoa, and ye and wo. I mean, it was draining me mentally so much. What should I do? But now it's like I have zero judgments. And since starting our program, I have eaten the locally grown rice every single day, and I have been able to release the weight, sleep better. My period pain, I had such severe pain during my period, and just before my period, it was like I would transform into this Kali Mata. No one could approach me. I would be absolutely irritable and nasty. All of that is beautifully soothed. In fact, this month, like since the age of 14, I'm 41 now. This month was the first time that I did not take any painkillers for my pain.
Wow.
absolute kid pain. I mean, my mother was a gynecologist. I come from a family background of medically trained professionals, but everybody was like, oh, maybe hormonal imbalance, you do this test, and none of my tests would show anything. So there's what I like about her is that, you know, she adds, along with biofeedback, she adds Sudhaness to it, you know. I mean, you have to experience to feel it. So
Right.
it's absolutely amazing, and I feel I didn't know about this for so long, you know, and I always was thinking, why did I not know about you before? Why did I not know about you before? But I think it's never too late, and it's a ongoing process now, you know. Not that I don't want to release more weight, or not that I want to, but now, like, even when I'm having a bath, or you know, it's like I really love my body. I respect her, you know, and I think that's a good start to a lifelong journey of well-being. And
Fantastic.
now, even if I see a magazine, I see a model, I see an actress, I don't have any judgments. Pehle it would be like, maybe this is photoshopped, or maybe this is their profession. That's why they are meant to do this. Now it's like zero judgments. Like, okay, I appreciate them, but then I genuinely love myself, and that is the greatest gift she has given me, you know. Like,
That's
self-love.
fantastic.
I've read it everywhere.
That's amazing.
Discover self-love, but that this lady has given me, and it's, I joined for a Beyond Weight Loss. I have gained much more than, you know, much beyond what was even mentioned on the poster, and all of this without, you know, no specific like ye meditation karo, ye dhyan karo, don't bring these thoughts, nothing. It was bi-weekly sessions, and in every session things, they just automatically started shifting. And one good thing about me was I didn't question anything, you know. I didn't want to see the report she sent, or I didn't go to Google about the device or nothing.
Right.
I just went with the flow, and it was absolutely beautiful.
Fantastic. You know, first of all, Shweta, I love your nose ring, first of all.
Thank you.
Second, I really love the happy hippie bit that made me laugh. And third, every time you were saying something, I wanted to jump in saying, really? Wow, amazing. How did that happen? How did this happen? And I was having a tough time controlling myself to just to see your reactions. I just want to go back very quickly. Did you say that these were group sessions?
Yes.
So this worked in an
Bangalore,
amazing
and
manner
there are
with you.
many other people joining in from I don't know which parts of the world.
Right.
Online. It's during lockdown. It's, you're not on the phone. Your phones are supposed to be in flight mode or switched off. So you're not connected. It's not a Zoom call, and things happen. I
Wow.
mean, imagine if I was able to actually travel to Bombay and get like a actual physical, you know, personally. I don't know how this thing works, but you know, so this is all offline, no phone connectivity, not on a Zoom call, nothing. The first thing is keep the phone away. And it works. I mean, it works.
I know it does. I can see it on your face. We've all seen it on your face. We've all heard it in your words. And
No, because see, before these sessions, I would never come on a video call. I would never come on a video call. I would never take my pictures. I would just not want to be seen, you know.
well, I'm glad you're happy to
And
be.
the amazing thing is this goddamn thing,
You have
it
a
works.
smile. You're so
I
lovely.
don't know how, but it works.
Right. Absolutely.
Sorry.
No, no. I'm saying I'm very happy that you're happy to be seen now. Because look at you. You're so gorgeous. You're so lovely.
Thank you.
Fantastic. Thank you so much, Shweta. I know you shuffled your time around a bit today, and I think you've given all of us a big boost about Sudha's work, and you've given all of us a lot to process and think about. So thank you really so much for coming on and sharing this. Thank you. So that you have anything, Shweta?
She's going to be a biofeedback practitioner. She wants to work with animals.
Amazing. So this can work on animals also, Sudha?
It works very well on animals. Pets receive it
Fantastic.
very well.
Amazing.